For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a red and black marble design. First, I'm going to apply a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area to make the cleanup faster and easier. My nails are already painted red, and this color is Aphrodite by Zoya, and I'm going to add some black marble design using the Dixie marble plate. Now I'm going to add some sponging around the outside of the nail, and I don't want this to be a real opaque black. I want it to have more of a smoky effect, so I'm going to mix some clear polish in with my black and then start sponging. Once the polish is dry, you can remove the liquid latex and add your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.